In this second video of how to generate leads effectively, I'll show you how to install a chat box on your WordPress website. And this chat box is known as talk.to. So just go on Google search talk.to, or rather directly open it. And once you are here, sign up for free. Just put up all your relevant details, sign up, and once you have signed up, just completely forget it. Come back to your WordPress dashboard, and here go to plugins, go on add new, and just search talk, TAWK, and just install now. Like for me, I have already installed it, but the thing is I have to activate it, so I'll activate it. So once it is activated, just go on installed plugins and just search for talk live chat. Go on settings, and once you are here, just sign in with the same account that you had used to sign up here. Just select the property that you had created there and use selected widget, and it will show an option as successfully added widget to your website. So click on save changes, and now go to your site. So you see there is a widget right here. We are here. Just click here and you'll get a response for this in your dashboard, talk that dashboard, if it is live. So you heard my mobile phone beep right now, because the thing is I have an Android app installed for talk. You'll get an Android app for talk, so whenever somebody messages you on your website, you'll directly receive a notification on your phone itself. So this is a very powerful tool to interact with your customers one on one very quickly and in a real time manner. Eventually, generating leads is all about having quality content and providing a value to the customers. If your product has value, then definitely you will be able to generate leads, have conversion, and earn a lot of money. Believe me, this entire creating website as well as digital marketing as well as SEO looks very exhaustive from distance. It is exhaustive, but once you find a key, it is very simple. It is definitely sea, but if you know how to row your boat well, you'll definitely reach the shore.